Test number 2. It ran off the track. I don't have a front wheel on it, a front truck, so it doesn't get that guidance. Maybe that's it. I don't know. I don't know what that noise is. It's a little worrisome. Yeah, I know what it is. My battery's low. That's what that is. Look at that smoke. Let's go take it up here slow. That's on the track. That's gonna jump the track no matter what I do, apparently. Its nose is light. That's the problem. Nose is light. And these cars might be pulling a little hard. I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, we'll get there. Well, once you see the linkage, right? And the rear truck. Did you see the rear truck? And did you see the firebox? Ah, yes, firebox. No flicker fire. You know, I don't have any of my cool stuff on here yet. Well, I got a lot of cool stuff on it, but oh shit! See that baby go? That was 20 volts, man. She's cranking. She's a cranker. She's a cranker. All right, now you son of a gun, you. I'm gonna help you stay on the track. There we go. Its nose is light, maybe. I don't know. We'll put some trucks on there. Maybe that'll help. I gotta find that truck. I got it somewhere. It's just a little bar, really, and then the front trucks bolt to it. No, even in totally slow is not gonna make it. All right. Well, it's a kid's train, right? That's what I get to do. Destroy my train. Oh, boy. Well, it's been a tough day. It's already 20 to 5. You won't believe my day. We got the rear truck on. We got the linkage on. We got the smoke on. The smoke is right over the hole. It's just perfect. I got my firebox in there. I got to get the flicker fire, and I might actually have an engineer I can put in there. Oh man! And Austin has agreed to paint my baby. That's a 350. I thought it was a 358. I can't read. It's a 350. I have the railings. I have that railing. I'm going to polish all that up when I get it back. And meanwhile, okay. It's like the 20 Mule Team Borax commercial. Yeah, we got the wagon and we got 20 mules in front of it. No, these are 20 mules behind it. Not really. Andy's working on it. He knows we got to package this thing. It is not going to fit. Okay, we know that, but it was more important to get the engine doing what it's supposed to. Then we can rearrange this stuff. We can rearrange this stuff and not have the engine, and I'd rather do this, okay? I want to get the front truck on and get that thing where it can drive around a little bit more sane, and show you the smoke and stuff. I got to get the linkage polished up, because that does wonders to show you guys the complex linkage this engine has, which is really, really nice. It's running really smooth. The drives, the gears, the links, I got them all. Had to straighten them out, of course, but that's working. The DC conversion is working. The rear truck is working. The firebox is working in that we now have that link instead of the wheel with the bar and all that stuff. And I think my tender is probably a little lightweight, not from a lack of electronics, but from a lack of actual lead and steel. So I've got Jim working on thinking about a bar we can screw onto the bottom in between the trucks. That would add a little ballast to that, give us a little more stability, and the trucks won't be bouncing around so much. It's a challenge when you go to metal, from metal to plastic printing parts. A lot of flexibility. You can design anything you want, but you know, when you're finished printing, it's plastic. So, gotta watch it. This was the consist I thought I would use on this train when I got it running. And I was thinking about maybe a dark blue tape in that bare spot, just to give it a little continuity with the dark blue of the... I don't know anything. I'm just having fun. Playing with my train. Oh gosh, that was so nice. I'm just so happy to be able to get it this far. It took us a long time, it sure did, but boy, old Randy, he hung in there, man. He's an ace. He is an ace. He hung in there. Jim has helped. Everybody has helped. And now it's all mean. It's all mean to me. Look at that. It's not even sticking on here. I think this battery is all over on one side and it's causing it to hang funny or something. We'll get to it. I'm not worried. I've built these things a few times. I know what they need. When they go haywire, I know what they need. So I'm okay. Oh, I got the sound off. That's why it's not making any noise. We're working on this. We got a NiCad battery that we recharge that'll last a lot longer than this thing, and it'll give you good sound and it'll be reliable. We'll get there. We'll get there. Oh boy, yeah. Show me some forward now. Show me some forward. There we go. And some smoke. Yeah, there's the smoke. It takes about that long to get the smoke going. I know I can see it. I don't think you can because it's not so. It's against that silver background. Probably not the best. Now it's going to come around here and fly off the track again. No, it's not going to cooperate. It is not going to cooperate. It is not. Nobody's cooperating today. You know, you guys, I quit. You're making me mad. I do have a little ramp. This is not the best of my table alignments, but we'll be making that big table change here shortly. I'm going to lop this whole piece off. Thin this down. It's going to be a straight oval, no more dog bone, and I'm going to have to pull this all the way out here so I can get more room. And I'm going to bring this Santa Claus stuff in the middle, and all of New York will be on that end, and all of the farm will be on this end. And that's me and Margaret. Some poor neighbor thought that'd be a good thing for us to have. I'm so mad. But at any rate, I put it out here. She's from New York City, if you don't know it. And you know, that's like her dad going to work and all kinds of stuff. And I'm from not New York City. I'm from like that, and I got corn somewhere growing. Yeah, there's my corn. So I'm from the farm. Anyway, I'll go. This is it. I've wasted enough of your time. You guys take care of yourself and keep watching, because we're getting there. We are getting there. And like old Rat Rod Bob says, we just ain't got it yet. Okay, bye.